video explores algorithms with conditions or conditional statements. We remember that linear algorithms are a set of directions that flow from one step to another. Let's review the example of planning a birthday party. Looking at this flow chart, it's easy to see why this type This video explores algorithms with conditions or conditional statements. We remember that linear algorithms are a set of directions that flow from one step to another. Let's review the example of planning a birthday party. Looking at this flow chart, it's easy to see why this type of algorithm is called linear. The steps in the algorithm flow in a straight line. But what if you need to make a decision before you can complete a step? For example, what if it's raining on the day of the party and you have to move the party location? Could you create instructions that include a backup plan? To create an algorithm that includes decisions, you add conditional statements to the algorithm. Conditional statements are questions that check whether a condition is true and then perform one action if it's true and a different action if it's false. An example condition could be, is it raining outside? The answer is either yes or no. In this case, the answer would be no, and you proceed to the next step. Just like linear algorithms, algorithms with conditional statements can be shown in a flowchart. Let's look again at the birthday party flowchart and add our conditional statement about rain. In order to determine whether the party should be inside or outside, the condition to check is whether or not it's raining. If the answer is yes, it's raining, then you should have the party inside. If the answer is no, it's not raining, then you can have the party outside. So how do we represent this condition in the flowchart? In a flowchart, the rhombus, or diamond-shaped component, is used to indicate that a decision has to be made. The rhombus should always contain a yes, no, or true-false question. So after purchasing party decorations, you come to your conditional statement. Is it raining outside? Yes? Then set up the party inside. No? Then set up the party outside. Computer scientists create sophisticated programs that can carry out complex algorithms. A lot of these algorithms contain conditional logic to complete their tasks properly. Here's an example. A vending machine uses a conditional statement before it dispenses a snack. It checks to see whether you entered a valid code. If yes, then it dispenses the snack. If no, it displays an error on its screen. Can you think of other conditions the vending machine might need to check for? How about money? The vending machine needs to be programmed to check whether you've inserted enough money before it dispenses the snack. Now that you've learned about algorithms with conditions, you're ready to start creating them.